So today we're dividing two-digit numbers by 10. And we're going to be using place value charts a little bit more. Let's have a look at this rule down here. It says to divide numbers by 10, we move the digits one column to the right. Okay, so I'm going to use this method to solve 42 divided by 10. Just follow those rules. Divide by 10, we move all the digits one column to the right. Okay, I'm going to start my ones column first. I'm going to move them both one column to the right. And then I'm going to move these one column to the right. So that tells me that 42 divided by 10 is 4 and 2/10 or 0.2. Okay, the next one is 35 divided by 10. So let's make 35 first. Okay, so here's the number 35. And again, to divide it by 10, I move all the digits one place to the right. Okay, it's 35 because look, I got 1, 2, 3 10s. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. That makes 35. So I can divide them by 10 and move everything one place to the right. That one, move this one again. I start with the ones first. Otherwise, I'd have a Okay, so those are all the ones moved over. Now let's move the 10s over. Excuse me. Okay, so I've now successfully moved all the counters. So I can say 35 divided by 10 is 3 ones and 5 10s, or 3.5. Okay, I think I got to a stage now where I don't need to use my place value chart anymore. I'm beginning to see the pattern, beginning to understand what happens when a number is divided by 10. So here I got 26 divided by 10. You notice the answers at the start. Remember, again, from yesterday, it doesn't matter which side of the equation the answer goes, as long as both sides are completely even. So I got 26 divided by 10. But if I think about the counters all moving to the right, the 2 10s would become 2 ones, and 6 ones would become 6 tenths, so it would become 2.6. Okay, so just remember that when we're dividing any amount of digits by 10, all of those digits move one place to the right. So for example, 35 divided by 10 becomes 3.5, or 3 and 5 tenths.